Don Moody, handymanreality here.com. So I get called to pull down a Samsung frame TV, and in my opinion, the cables weren't pulled through correctly. And the reason I say that is usually when you have a thin cable like this with a big ass end connector on it, and it has to be pulled through an insulated wall with vapor barrier. Both ends are huge. So really, if I try to just pull this cable down through the insulation, that connector is just going to rip off. In my opinion, what should have happened was a PVC pipe should have been pushed up or down through this wall, even if it was in small sections and couplings, all the way down to the device box. Then there would have been a clear path for pushing cables up and down, but instead the inexpensive route was taken of, look at this, actually pushed the damn, cut off the mounts for the receptacle. Now, that's not legal stuff. And yet this Apple guy tells me that I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyways, I'm going to, I've been challenged to get this out of the wall without breaking it. So what I'm going to do is they pushed a cable at the same time, and very likely what somebody did was they pushed a fish down from here down to here, then they attached the cable and to that big ass head, and then they struggled it up through the wall and got it out here. So I'm going to use a similar method, but I'm not actually going to try to tie it to a fish. I'm going to take a piece of speaker wire, attach it to the cable. I'm going to pull the cable up and out. Then I'm going to attach everything back to that, and I'm going to pull them both back down so that I end up leaving the cable in the wall, and I get the connector out of the wall. This shit got nothing to do with me. So anyways, let's see how this works. Do me a favor? It's recording. Binds right away on the cable. So that was reasonably successful. Now, the fun part is going to be pulling it all back down through. So because these ends are all so large, I'm going to need to be taped together. Besides that, I need to make sure that there's nothing to catch. So, this is how. So we'll pull this over out right, and then let's see how it works. Okay, get it separated. Apparently nobody knew how to connect the damn data cable. We'll put a connector on the end. Okay, there we go. I'm going to help it up at the top here because it's got to get past the vapor barrier. Now, because I don't believe in being a dick, some people can be, I'm going to take off the Samsung stupidity connector.
Catch more paper. That nice and pushy.
And I'm going to pull the cable back up to the wall, or back down to the wall. Oh wait, I got enough cable. Right where I need it to be. Oops. So anyways, this has been Don Moody of handymanreality.com, playing around fishing in the walls for a TV. By the way, don't ever do this. You can easily find a box that is a recessed box that can replace this box and allows you that plug-in to be inside the wall. It's like $14 on Amazon. So, have a great day. Bye-bye now. This is Don Moody of handymanreality.com. Thank you.